Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the Backyard Greenhouse. um I have not been uploading videos lately. There's just a lot of stuff going on, and at the same time I was trying to um figure out more or less what I'll be doing towards this year of gardening. And apparently it's okay, but it's just not as fast as I wanted. But then again, you can't rush it. Well, this topic right now I'm going to be talking about is that I'm attempting to do my first seedless watermelon. I have not done that before, so I already have bought some seeds, and I started planting, I believe, on the 19th of this month. So by the look of it, it's looking good, it's looking great, and it has not failed me yet, so I'm not gonna jinx myself. um, so I have about two different varieties of watermelon seeds that I'm growing, just so I can grow my seedless watermelon. I have two that I'm sprouting right now, which is my what are they called? Crybabies, I think. No, I am so wrong. Sugar babies. Wow. Okay, you guys are sure gonna get me with that. Yeah, sugar baby watermelons. I have two of those because those are the ones gonna provide me my pollinators, and I'm gonna need those to pollinate my seedless watermelon seeds, which is once they actually get the flowers going. So I got four seedless watermelons going, and two of those sugar babies. So from what I've been doing my research, you're supposed to have more seedless watermelon plants than the seeded watermelons. Um, just so you get more of a harvest towards your seedless, the one that you're trying to do. Other than that, it's looking great. One of the seedless has sprouted, so that's a good sign. The other three, I'm still waiting. I'm pretty sure. I'm trying to keep the temperature at least 85 temperature degrees to where what they need to sprout. Anything lower than that, it's more like maybe 40% or 50% that you may have them sprout, but you don't want that. You want to make sure you get at a good optimal Fahrenheit of 85. So let me show you guys more or less what I'm doing to help them sprout. Okay, I had to switch my camera around. So right now, as you can see, they're in the cups, and I actually had to put Ziplocs to retain the humidity and temperature that I need. And this droppings helps to keep the soil wet, so that's a good thing. So I had to put a heating mat under here to keep it the optimal temperature that I need. Just because we don't have sun right now, it's just a cloudy day, and it's not keeping the greenhouse at a good temperature. Right now it's, as you can see, it's at 73, and I need it at least 82 to 85. So that's why I'm not relying too much of the greenhouse heat. I have to put this, so that's a good thing. So this sugar babies watermelon, this is what I was talking about. I have two right here. You can't see because there are perforations of the water in the bag is not letting you see, but anyways, it's in here. Anyways, so they're in here. You can barely even see it. So yes, these three are my cantaloupes that you see here. I'm gonna grow cantaloupes as well, which is the jumbo melons. And these four are my seedless. So that one is the only one that's sprouted. You can actually see it. These three, I'm still having high hopes, so I'm not gonna give up on that. it literally took about 3 days for that one seedless to sprout. The other three hasn't, so I'm assuming maybe either not today, tomorrow. But pretty much that was it. And if any progress or any towards the watermelon, I'll give you an update. And I'm sorry I haven't been uploading, but I'll be doing that pretty soon again. But thanks for sticking around to the end of this video. I'm glad you were able to see my process of what I've been trying to do. Well, till next time, guys, you take care.